How to check sound quality on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. Once you open the app, go to the search bar, type left-right speaker test. From the results, choose a stereo audio test video to play and begin your sound check. While the video plays, listen to confirm that sound is coming from both your left and right speakers. You can adjust the volume as you test. For another method, go ahead and open up the Settings app from your home screen. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section allows you to manage your phone sound and vibration settings. On this page, you can adjust the general volume to high. For more advanced settings, scroll further down and tap on Headphone Safety. Here you can manage settings like Reduce Loud Audio to protect your hearing. Following these steps, you can easily check your iPhone sound quality.